Are you struggling for content ideas? Then this video is actually for you. TikTok has actually released a new feature called Creator Search Insights, which is really going to boost your views and also make you get video ideas of what people are actually searching for. Let's check how you're going to be able to find this and how you're going to be able to use this feature. What is Creator Search Insights? It's a tool within TikTok that shows you what people are actually searching for on the platform. To find it, just type in Creator Search Insights in the search bar and you are going to see the Creator Search tool. You will see view right here and then you just tap on the view and it's actually going to take you there. This is the cool part. You can actually see trending topics, filter by categories, and even find content gaps. These are popular search with fewer videos. Use this insight to create videos that people are actively looking for. This is your chance to shine and fill those content gaps. So what are you waiting for? Go and explore Creator Search Insights and blow up your TikTok. And at the time of me recording, this feature was actually available for only my United States account, and I'm sure it's actually going to be rolled out to everyone very, very soon. And in case you've not seen it yet, just hold your horses and it's going to come to you. Don't forget to give me a follow and also like this video up and also share with your friends and subscribe, and I'm going to catch you in the next one.